Good to be back from vacation here in West Michigan. Hopefully you had a wonderful holiday week as well. Well, we did finally get a break from the rain that we had on Saturday. It was a nice Sunday, and today turned out to be gorgeous. But we do have daily chances for rain. We'll talk about that in a moment. 13 weather ball for the moment is a solid green, which means no change foreseen.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
And here in West Michigan, we've enjoyed a lot of sunshine throughout the day today, and the webcams surely show that. But you notice there has been a little bit of a haze in the air. That haze is going to increase here tomorrow as we start to see a little bit of that wildfire smoke move back into the area. But beautiful blue skies this afternoon. We'll continue that for the evening hours until we start to see some high clouds come in from the northwest. That's along a cold front. That's going to bring us a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm very late tonight, generally northwest counties and northward. All the active weather out here in Nebraska is going to spread eastward then on Wednesday. Tonight, no risk for any severe weather here. That'll change a little bit tomorrow. We have the 1 out of 5 risk, a marginal risk for some severe storms as that cold front gets right down through the area. You can kind of see where that'll be. Highest risk tomorrow will be Nebraska and Iowa, and that continues to slip south on Wednesday. So from about I-94 southward on Wednesday is where the best chances will be. Let's break it down. Overnight, here comes the cold front. There might be that isolated shower. Best chance will be a very spotty shower tomorrow afternoon. It would last maybe 20 minutes and then it will be done. The sun will be back in the afternoon. Another large complex of storms expected to develop on on Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and some of that outflow is going to move into West Michigan on Wednesday. Models are kind of split on how much rain we'll get, but if we do get the rain, it will definitely be heavy and we will see temperatures only in the 70s. Then we have daily chances for showers. Not a washout by any means on any day, but if you're planning to maybe stain that deck outside, yeah, this is not the week for that. We have daily chances not only Thursday, but into Friday and into Saturday. The only time we will not see any rain is likely on Sunday. In terms of rainfall, yes, when it does rain, it will pour. Most of this rain will come during the day on Wednesday, but daily chances also Thursday, Friday into Saturday. We could end up with close to an inch of rain in many locations. We could certainly use a little bit more. As we showed you earlier, beach hazard alert from Holland and Grand Haven northward. Small craft advisories overnight, but the waves are going to start to come down to around 1-footers by daybreak tomorrow. Forecast then for tonight, we'll look for partly cloudy skies. Clear early, mostly cloudy late up in the northwest counties. Low in mid-60s, upper 60s further south. Northern areas will be in the low and mid-60s. Nice night. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows between about 64 and 66. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Tuesday and Wednesday with that 1 out of 5 marginal risk for active weather. Coolest day will be on Wednesday with periods of showers and storms in 74. Still a daily chance on Thursday. Notice a lot of haze and humidity in the air all the way through next Monday. We might get a break from the haze on Thursday and a break from the humidity, but not until next Tuesday. And actual high temperatures pretty close to where we should be for this time of year, up into the low and mid-80s. So again, just a couple of great days we've had.
It looks like a July forecast in Michigan, doesn't it?
It certainly does.
Thank you, George.
Yesterday and today, all what summer is about. Lower humidity, a lot of sunshine, and no chances for rain, but that is about to change. The 13 weather ball is green, so no change from at least the lower humidity and heat foreseen.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Yeah, we had a beautiful day today, lots of sunshine. We're expecting clear skies tonight in your dog walking forecast. Brutus, that looks like that hairdo for the Grand Haven Coast Guard Festival ad. Yeah, Ariana, you can take them out. No issues here this evening. Give you the green paw this evening and tomorrow morning. Well, certainly cooler tomorrow morning in the 70 to 72 range. Another great day to create green energy from the sun, 7.4 out of a 10-point scale. From just the sun, winds just up a bit tomorrow. Not real breezy, but just enough to kind of stir things up just a little bit. But the haze is already starting to return to west of Michigan. Not the smoke, just the the haze. Still some wildfires going on up in Canada. But what we're focusing on this week, first off, is a cold front off to the north coming through the UP. And as that slides down through the area, there's a chance we could see some showers and storms with that. Nothing real significant here tonight. There might be a couple of scattered showers north of US 10 tomorrow morning, but they could pop up for a brief while in a couple of areas here tomorrow. This is not an all-day washout, but if you're planning on staying in that deck, yeah, you might want to hold off until next week. We've got showers and storms overnight tomorrow night, Wednesday. Very large complex of storms will be up overhead, so that's going to be a rainy day with temperatures only in the 70s. Humidity is going to return most, if not all, of this week. There will be daily chances on Thursday. Again on Friday, lower chances on Friday, but still some showers on Saturday. The best day will likely be Sunday this week. Now, as Juliet mentioned, it was a very dry June, but between now and Sunday, we could see an inch plus in a lot of locations. All of lower Michigan will get at least some rain over the next 5 to 7 days or so. Long range outlook says the cool air that we've experienced, when we say cool, it's upper 70s and low 80s. We're supposed to be in the low and mid 80s, but we're going to get a little bit warmer than that for that third week of July from the 18th through the 24th, and an equal chance for more or less rainfall during that 7-day period, with higher chances along the northeast and Appalachians, dry in the northwest and down south. Out on Lake Michigan, water temperatures warming up nicely, mid 60s to even around 70, and they'll continue to go up. They'll peak around mid to late August. Skies will be mostly clear this evening, partly cloudy over the northwest counties late tonight. There's a very small chance of a shower. Overnight lows in the low and mid 60s. Mid 60s up north under mostly clear skies, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll also see mostly clear skies. Overnight lows in the mid 60s. 13 on your side forecast. There is a marginal risk, a 1 out of 5 risk for strong storms tomorrow, as they'll be widely scattered, and again on Wednesday. Coolest day will be Wednesday, mid 70s, but a daily chance of showers and storms except for Sunday. And then next week, we will start to lose a little bit of that humidity next Tuesday, but the haze is back and so is the humidity. Kind of a July forecast, isn't it, Juliet?
Yes, indeed. Isn't that appropriate? Thank you, George.
Yesterday and today, beautiful weather here in West Michigan, lower humidity, but we did notice a little bit of that haze returning to the area. We're going to see that for the next several days and a return to that humidity. And along with that, we have showers and thunderstorms likely. Right now, the 13 weather ball green, no change to the temperatures and humidity foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Yeah, that humidity will be back. The haze has already returned to West Michigan. Temperatures, though, today climbed up into the low and mid 80s, finally back above the average high of 83, which we matched last year. Came within 1 degree of the forecast high. It was a great week for Michael and Blake to forecast here in the past 13 days. Either bullseyes or very close on our target. We have lots of sunshine here today after a little bit of cloud cover early today. To the north, we're watching some showers and storms are moving on up into the UP along a cold front, but eventually that cold front will sag down into lower Michigan very slowly over the next several days. And with showers and storms along that front, we've got a daily chance right on through into Saturday. Hour by hour, you notice clear here early tonight, but we'll see some of that haze return. This is tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Might be a couple of showers, especially over the northwest counties, but most of the very widely scattered and maybe 15-minute shower or thunderstorm tomorrow would be during the afternoon. Better chance for tomorrow night late into Wednesday as a large complex of storms comes out of Iowa and Nebraska. Right now, the areas from Grand Rapids southward, most likely seeing that early on Wednesday, but it will overspread most of the region all the way through Wednesday night. And then we have daily chances, not only Thursday, not everywhere, not an all-day rain, also during the day on Friday, but just a little bit lower risk for rain on Friday. And then on Saturday, still some showers and storms. This is not the week to do any outdoor painting or deck staining. On Sunday, though, we'll be back into some sunshine and dry weather, if only briefly. Here you go. Daily chances for rain. Best will be on Wednesday. Daily chances all the way until Sunday, and then more rain the following Monday and especially Wednesday. So we're saying goodbye to the dry weather for a while. Up until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, we have that beach hazard alert and small craft advisory. Waves will be running around calm to 1 feet. Much better, I guess, beach day compared to what we saw during the day today, especially from Muskegon northward. Again, a scattered morning shower and thunderstorm to the north, in the afternoon south. Hazy conditions, upper upper 70s north, low 80s south, around 80 up north. A scattered thunderstorm both early and late. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll see most of our scattered activity. It's very widely scattered. Will be in the afternoon. Mid and possibly even upper 80s around Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. Both Tuesday and Wednesday, there's a marginal risk for severe weather. That's why we've highlighted those 2 days. Coolest day will be 74 Wednesday. Fairly typical temperatures after that. We'll lose some of the haze on Thursday and some of the humidity next Tuesday. Other than that, a warm and humid weather pattern for the next 10 days.